See, everybody says this Pankaj Kapoor ka beta and all that, but you know, character actors don't have any power. I said it. मैंने नेहा धूपिया को पहली बार देखा था दिल्ली की एक 5-star होटल के बाथरूम में.
Oh my god. Crushing on a co-star.
It's possible. I've been told.
Oversharing in an interview.
This one, have I?
घुटने भी चल रहे हैं, सब कुछ हो रहा है यहाँ पे, बाल भी इंटैक्ट हैं, स्किन भी बहुत सही लग रहा है.
Yeah, come on, Neha, let's see your real side.
Yeah.
दिल्ली वाली लड़की, आजा.
No filter.
आजा ले. You know, Rang De Basanti was offered to me. Privilege makes you weak. Hard work makes you strong. If you start struggling in a BMW and then after a star you buy another BMW, then what's the fun of it?
इतनी सुध-बुध कहाँ से आ गई?
मुझे एक्टिंग करनी है, मुझे कैरेक्टर दे दो जिसके अंदर स्कोप है परफॉर्मेंस की. सावरिया एंड ओम शांति ओम रिलीज 2 weeks after जब we met and so we lost screens. This is the new DDLG. एपिसोड देख लीजिए जरा, बहुत मजा आएगा आपको.
अच्छा,
माशाल्लाह.
Jio TV presents No Filter Neha Season 6, an initiative of Big Girl Productions and Jio Savan in partnership with OnePlus, Black and White Ginger Ale, non-alcoholic beverage, Narayana Health and Rolling Stone India. Welcome to the very first episode of No Filter Neha Season 6 on Jio TV. 5 सीजन से 60 बेहतरीन गेस्ट के साथ आपने हमारा साथ दिया ऑडियो के माध्यम से, लेकिन अब we are back with a bang and in flesh on video. Today's guest is a chocolate boy turned serious man turned back to chocolate boy. इनके करियर ने इतने interesting turns लिए हैं, but his performances never fail to make heads turn. Please welcome a Bollywood maverick, a dance floor sensation, the epitome of style. He's a vibe, he's a mood, he's the only guy who looks good with hair and without. The one and only Shahid Kapoor.
इसमें सच कितना था, झूठ कितना था,
सब सच.
तूने दिल से कितना बोला.
We are starting season 6 and you are here. हमें इससे ज़्यादा क्या चाहिए? But let's go back. Let's go back to how long we know each other.
You really want to go back? You want to tell them?
Yeah, give me the number. What's the number?
मैंने नेहा धूपिया को पहली बार देखा था दिल्ली की एक 5-star होटल के बाथरूम में.
Oh my God.
लेकिन उसके आगे मैं कुछ नहीं बताऊंगा कि वहाँ क्या हो रहा था.
You know we are going to keep this, ना?
हाँ, रख लो.
ठीक है.
मेनू की.
हाँ, मेनू की is fine, but I want to ask you, how does it feel like, life has got you back in front of your worst student 25 years later? Because we were a whole bunch of girls straight out of college who were doing this show और हम लोगों को ऐसे लग रहा था कि graffiti.
Yeah.
ये जो हम play कर रहे
Roshan Abbas was directing, right? Am I right?
Yeah, and Shamak Davar.
And Shamak was doing the choreography and the dance because it was a musical.
Yeah, and that's how you were there.
That's how I was supposed to teach them. And they were a very fun bunch who had a mind of their own and they didn't really want to do anything they were told, which is very normal for teenagers.
Yeah, never listen.
Never listen. And yeah, and that's how it started. But then, of course, life happens and we met many, many times.
Many
and I have
times.
always had a lot of love for you because we know each other for really, really long. And it's great to see you here and working and being a wife and being a mother and being an independent woman who's made it on your own here, and the city is not easy. Yeah, so congratulations to you for everything and thank you for having me on this first episode of your 6th season. You've made it to season 6. Looks like you're going to make it to another 6.
I hope so. And my God, what a nice way to start.
I mean, unlike you, I mean all the things I said.
Oh my goodness. I think that you're also giving me a compliment. Suddenly there's an attack that happens. I also want to tell you that we were all crushing on you, Shahid.
I wonder why.
Yeah, because we could only see your behind. That's why. Because we were like, ye dancer.
There wasn't much there at that
and then
time.
Suddenly we were like, आगे से ना mirror में reflection में हमने देखा चेहरा. We were like, wow. Really, that time you were like glory poster boy of chocolate face. Not to say now you're not. अभी तो मतलब mind.
Thankfully, I don't look like how I look then, yeah. I mean, it's taken a lot of work to get from there to here.
You aged beautifully, but you were very cute back then.
Thanks you.
मतलब हम सबको ये था कि cute है. तो आज हम dance rehearsal के लिए जाएंगे. Otherwise, we were not interested in your dance.
I am aware of that.
Yeah.
I could sense that very early.
Okay. But aged well, घुटने भी चल रहे हैं, सब कुछ हो रहा है यहाँ पे, बाल भी intact हैं, skin भी बहुत सही लग रहा है. So I just want to know that what's the magic potion? What are you having? You still look the same.
My life changed after I became a vegetarian. I just feel like everything inside me changed. My energy changed. I have smoked here and there, but it's been a long time since I gave up smoking, about 5 years.
Was that hard?
I was just done with it, yeah. You know, I started smoking because of a movie, and then it kind of became a habit. And then I always knew like it didn't suit me. I didn't like it. I used to feel tired, and my skin used to not be as fresh. And I was very much into fitness and all. And I felt like my stamina was dropping. Even like when you do live stage shows, you know, you see some people that they're just dancing and they're fine. And then you see some people, they do 5 steps and they're tired and they look really fit, but they're tired, you know. But I always want to have that stamina. I don't believe like you should look fit but not be fit. I think you should be fit from inside, you know, and that always stays with you. Other things will come and go.
Have you like been a dancer behind like, you know, A-lister stars?
Yeah, of course. Behind, I was last in line also. See, when you start with Shamak, you have to be in the last line. So forget being behind a star, you're also behind your contemporaries. You have to earn your right to be in the first row. You have to earn your right to be more central as opposed to in the corner. So it's a lot of work. And I love that. I love the fact that every step forward required so much effort and it meant so much. And so the gratification that you felt when you earned it was so solid. It has to be difficult to get something. Otherwise, what's the point of it? You know, if you start struggling in a BMW and then after a star you buy another BMW, then what's the fun of it? You should have traveled in trains. You should have wondered how you're going to, you know, get your photo shoot ka paisa kahan se aayega, meetings ke liye kapde kaise pehnunga. How will you do all those things? Like that's real, right? That's how it
Yeah,
should
of
be.
course. I mean, it's the actual adventure. That's what goes in the books. I mean, but so at this point, did people in that row, मतलब अगर 4 rows हैं dancers की, and that time we're not going to take your full name. It's like शाहिद पीछे खड़ा है. तो उस time पता था कि ये पंकज कपूर का बेटा है जो पीछे खड़ा है?
See, everybody says this Pankaj Kapoor ka beta and all that, but you know, character actors don't have any power. Only stars and superstars and big film directors and producers have power. So it's not a big deal. Secondly, I actually stayed with my mom. So I never told anybody because my parents were separated and there was this whole pride thing that I don't want to say anything to anybody. So I never told anybody. Actually, I told my dad that I've signed a film after I signed it. He didn't even know. You know, so people have this certain impression, but aisa nahi hota hai actually, you know. Also, you know, my father's father, my grandfather, my Dadaji, was a lecturer in Ludhiana. His son wanted to be an actor, which was actually an impossible dream. And his father told him, Beta, you're on your own. You go figure it out. I'm with you, but you're on your own. If you're worthy, you'll get there. And that's pretty much what my relationship with my dad is. You know, I might ask him for things here and there in terms of, as an actor, his opinion, any gyan that I can get from him and things like that. But I don't want to take his name and get somewhere. I want to get somewhere because I deserve it, because he made it like that. And he expects the same from me, and I would expect the same from my children. I don't know how practically possible that is, but that is how I would want it to be. Like, if you're, like, I was like that with Ishan, you know, and then I saw his first film and he just blew me away. You know, I was like, he's like, kab sikha ye sab, you know, and he was just so good in that film. And I think he was his best in his first film, which a lot of people might not have seen because it was not a very mainstream film. Everybody thinks Dhadak was his first film. But he did a film called Beyond the Clouds, which was his first film.
We had a chat with him yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he told us that you, on the set of Urta Punjab, when he was an ED,
Yeah.
मतलब clap भी दे रहा था, वो van से भी बुला रहा था, and there was no bias on set कि मेरा भाई is.
I didn't want him to be on the film, actually.
Oh, you didn't want him to be on Urta Punjab?
Because I was playing a cocaine addict. I don't even know like what it is to have a drink. So I was like, this is the most challenging film that I'm doing, and I don't know if I'll get this character right, and I don't want the baggage of having my brother, because when your younger brother is an AD, you know, your one eye is there, na? You're like always, theek hai, khana kha raha hai, kya kar raha hai? You know, you're there. You don't want to show him that you're there. You
But
never
no-
want
no
him.
biases.
Yeah, because I wouldn't want my elder brother or my father to make me feel like I need to be given special treatment when I want to be included in the team, right? That's the worst thing that anybody can do to you. Because then the entire team is looking at you, acha, uska bhai hai. You know, you want to be included. You want to be, you know, on the same plane. You know, so you get that.
Yeah, because he said that at no point, exactly what you're saying, that at no point ऐसे लग रहा था कि वो मेरा भाई set पे, but at one point when he got typhoid or something, it was the first time you were like,
उसे हैंड पंप का पानी पीना था. So I was like, Ishan, हम ना, we are big city kids. I don't think our systems are used to having hand pump. अरे भाई कुछ नहीं होता. And then he has gone and had hand pump का पानी. And 2 days later, he was
down.
so ill. I remember, you know, we were shooting the scene where, you know, Alia has got that hockey stick in her hand and she's hitting all these guys.
yeah.
Yeah, and I'm lying on the ground and she saves me and all, you know, that big scene. And
What a film, yeah. It's like a moment to just like praise Urta Punjab. What a
Urta
film.
was
You've been in the industry for 20 years and you've pretty much dabbled in all kinds of genres. When is that one time in your life where you thought you were pushing yourself beyond the boundaries and you thought you'll never settle for anything less than what you want?
See, what is settling? Like settling is, I don't understand like how people look at settling. You do the best that you can, but the result is not in your control. I mean, I'm an actor. A filmmaker, a director would probably have way more control than an actor can. You know, so a lot of my career is in his hands. You know, and of course, some part of his career is also in my hands because I need to do the job right because he can't do it. But definitely don't work with people who will clip your wings.
Yeah. So you don't want to settle for anything
If you
less.
want to fly,
Yeah.
and if you feel the people around you are okay with being where they are and they don't want to fly, and therefore they don't want you to fly because then it just shakes the balance of everything. And I would not want to be in that room. I would never work with those people again.
Look at the kind of cinema you've done, Shahid. It's amazing.
Yeah, I got lucky. So I was always chasing like the Kamines and the Urtas and the Haidars.
But is the chase enough?
I got lucky, right? You have other people who want to make that. I mean, somebody has to write it. Somebody has to want to make it.
And somebody has to think of you while that's
Yeah,
happening.
yeah. So, you know, some of those things happened for me.
But yeah, and there was a phase, मतलब जब एक तरह की picture होती थी where the mainstream hero didn't have to look like the mainstream hero.
But look at
They
how
were
what's happened in the last 2 decades.
Yeah.
I mean, today the playing a grey hero is actually considered more mainstream than playing a white, like a very like clean hero, so to say. You know, and that was completely not the case when I started acting. The hero had to do everything right. And as an actor, that is just so demotivating. Because how? Life is not like that. Nobody is white. Everybody is shades of grey. You know, and you need to be able to showcase characters which represent and are truthful of life.
Speaking of this, you've done all that, you've gone through the beats, and you've come back to this easy, breezy, cute rom-com, Teri Baaton Mein Aisa Uljha Jiya.
Yeah.
So what is it? You're like, I just need a break from being grey, or I just want to be this person that I was?
No, I mean, eventually, if you do anything repeatedly, whether it is conventional or unconventional, you are repeating yourself. You know, so I think we're in a time where everybody wants to brand themselves. That's how everybody thinks. And I don't think like that. But I think being a creative entity somewhere deep down, once in a while, it's very important to throw yourself into spaces that you haven't experienced and you don't know if you're good at them. You know, and the fear of failure is there and it should be there because that also propels you to do better. But it should not stop you from discovering yourself. You have to allow yourself to find yourself, you know. And that'll only happen when you do different stuff.
Speaking of rom-coms, and now we're on the subject of Teri Baaton Mein Aisa Uljha Jiya,
Yeah.
what's like the most annoying thing about working with Kriti?
The most annoying. This is what she does before every shot. Yeah, she has this, it's like a tick with her. She feels the need to clear her voice. So even if you're doing a very romantic shot or something very, very, you know, nice, so suddenly she'll start doing roll sound. She does this repeatedly. And we joke about it, you know, because I'm
But
like...
that's cute.
Yeah, it's cute. It's sweet. She has... But all of us have our quirks, right? Like she thinks I spend too much time on my hair.
No, but do you?
The most interesting thing, actually, my makeup guy, James, he told me this. You know, he said, you know, लोगों को लगता है सर कि आप ना शीशा देखते हो बाल वाल बनाने के लिए, लेकिन आप ना that's a part of your process to get into the mood. It's a way of prepping to get into something. You know, because a lot of the times in the beginning of my career, I used to think I did something, but then when I would go and see the monitor, it would not be like that. I think we get so into our own head that we don't look around us. So when you get consumed with yourself, you're actually losing out on what the universe can give you. And like what I can get from you, what I can get from a co-actor, what I can get from a writer, what I can get from my kid, my son, my daughter, everything gives you something. And you can use all of that in your craft. But you have to be open.
I mean, this is a tutorial that even if we paid for, wouldn't get.
No, not at all. That's just how I look at it. That's
Yeah, no,
what
I mean,
works for
it's
me.
great because I don't even remember when you got so wise. I'm paying you a compliment. It didn't sound like
I'm not very good with compliments, but thank you so much.
But you did. It's amazing. I think something has happened to you. मतलब इतनी सुध-बुध कहाँ से आ गई? Is it
किसको होती है 17-18 साल की उम्र में? हाँ?
Is it marriage?
everything. I think everything contributes. But I feel it's when you open up yourself. Let me put it this way. I'm okay with who I am.
I mean, we're okay with who you are.
No, like, I mean that there were phases in my life I wasn't sure of who I am. I had, who I wanted to be and who I was not in sync, or maybe I was finding myself, so to say. And I think in the last few years, I'm very comfortable with who I am. And I'm okay with the good and the bad. And I think once you've accepted who you are, it just centers you and you become who you need to become. Much better.
I see it. Like, I see it right now. If I had to put you in like a image or an object, you look like a ball of security right now. ऐसे ना ऐसे वो ball होता है वो छोटे वाले. So
पिक्चर रिलीज के आसपास सिक्योरिटी थोड़ी कम हो जाती है.
पर कोई बात नहीं.
It's okay. जो भी है ठीक है यार. It's okay.
But speaking of films, tell us what's next in the pipeline.
Right now, this look which I'm in is for a film called Deva, which is kind of like a action thriller, lots of twists and turns, and very interesting, edgy, alpha, kind of grungy character for me to do. So completely different from the film that I've just done, Teri Baaton Mein Aisa Uljha Jiya. So this was like fun and light, and this is like the other side. So yeah.
We look forward to everything that you're up to, and most importantly, we look forward to playing our No Filter games with you. So are you ready, Shah?
I'm ready.
Okay. So our first game is called Guilty or Not Guilty. All I'm going to do is read out a few statements, and you have that angutha in your hand. So thumbs up for guilty, thumbs down for not guilty. Your first one, gossiping about someone as soon as they leave the room. I knew it. Complimenting someone without meaning it.
Yeah, I think I have.
Yeah, okay. Oversharing in an interview.
This one, have I?
I'm
like, if I say no, and I'm like, bro, you did in the interview. So I'll be like, I don't know about that.
Okay, that's towards me. Having questionable dating choices.
Yeah.
Yeah. Worked with an actor you don't like.
I have. It's like you realize while you're working, like, bhai, ye to मामला कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Not पहले से I don't have like a prejudice against somebody, but the work process makes you realize कि boss, it's not happening.
It's not happening.
It's a very big problem. Oh my God.
All right. Answering a question without understanding it.
It's possible. I've been told after a full answer that this is not what I ask.
Crushing on a co-star.
Yeah, I have, of course.
All right. Lying to your trainer.
Yeah, I mean, I see like if I've had 3 pizzas license, I'll be like, I just had 1, like that kind of lies. Like, yeah.
But TK, it's harmless, yeah. All right. And the last one, lying on this chat show.
I don't lie. I don't think I lie anymore.
Speaking of films and talking on longevity, because you've been in the business so long, from the time you started to now, what is like the biggest difference you see?
Should I say it?
Yeah, say it.
Why don't outsiders get opportunities the way that they should? There's a lot of people who are from within the fraternity and very few from the outside. I don't know if that was the case 20 years back, but...
No, we came from outside.
I know, I also came from outside, actually, because I came from Delhi to Bombay and I was with my mom, and then I didn't have any channel. Talent is not being given an opportunity as much as it should. And I pride myself in the fact that I am here because of the work that I did and because of the actor that I learned to become and whatever it is that I gave to the craft. Like I pride myself in that. Whether I've had a great career, average career from everybody's point of view, whatever, everybody has a different point of view. But no, what I'm saying is like, no, seriously, like, everybody will have a different point of view. But whatever it is mehnat ki kamai, like kaam se, not naam se. It's सब नाम से हो गया यार, काम से क्यों नहीं? Our biggest superstars were काम से. We're actually killing our own fraternity. Maybe that's why there is a lack of good content. Because you got to put your money on the horse that can actually run, not just the one that's, got the shiniest coat.
Oh my, and we're done. Exactly what we wanted to hear. No, but like you have made such an important point, and I'm so happy that you went ahead with that answer right now. But do you think कि right now, हमको अगर कुछ बोलना भी है, किसी से सच निकलवाना है, we have to call our show No Filter to get an answer from somebody. You think that every word goes into scrutiny? Like, do you think much more now while giving answers? Or
See, it's very simple. It's very simple. If you are critical of everybody else, rest assured the universe will throw that critique right back at you. So I believe in karma, and I feel that people are just so easy with the tongue and so easy with, you know, just putting people down or finding problems in things. But who are you? Like, what have you achieved in life? Like, I was like, भाई मैं तो मुंह भी नहीं खोलता था यार जब मैं असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर होता था या जब मैं शामक के साथ होता था. And a lot of times when I was acting also, you know, with senior directors, who am I to talk? Like, why am I giving my opinion? Like, who are you? Why do you qualify to give an opinion? That has gone out of the window.
Like
With social
everybody-
media,
everybody
has
has-
gone out of the window. It's like, I don't need to be anybody, but I can say what I want. You know, and that is the problem because there has to be an inside-outside perspective.
And then you get picked on that one little thing, which is probably not a flaw also.
But that just goes to show that people are so unhappy with their reality that they want to criticize other people. I think if you are happy from within, and if you have love and gratitude, or if you're thankful for what you have, you will always say something positive. You know, I think people should just understand that कि इतना अंदर से इतना negative क्यों निकल रहा है?
No, I know what you're saying. We're gonna discuss your old and new choices and your safe, unsafe ones now.
Yeah.
16 years of Jab We Met.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we saw moments of like you going back into the theater.
Yeah.
And after 16
I had to go because, you know, somebody told me it was playing for a couple of days. And I was like, okay, cool, nice. I hope people go. I'm like, you know, you don't know after so many years.
you had a house full.
It played for 2 weeks.
And then to get the Gen Z kind of stamp of approval.
I remember I said it to somebody, I think. I don't know if I said it to Imtiaz, somebody. I was like, this is the new DDLJ. I was like, I just said it. And everybody's like, yeah, right, shut up. I was like, no. This is it. And they're like, why? I said, because that film for me, when I was like a teenager, was iconic. I was like, this is Aaj Ki love story. You know, I felt that. And when I heard Jab We Met, this is that film which just will feel right. This will be that love story that everybody will be like, yeah, this is the love story. Yeah, I love this. Because I felt like that when I heard the subject. I was like, I can relate to this. And it's still so kind of cinematic, but it's still so real, but it's still so cinematic. And I just felt that was the relevant tone that would land at that time. And actually, Jab We Met has done even better over time than it did at the time it came out. 2 weeks later, there were these two really big films. There was Om Shanti Om and there was Savarya.
was
Savarya and Om Shanti Om released 2 weeks after Jab We Met. And so we lost screens. 2 weeks later, we didn't have any screens. So you're like, you know, people are loving the film, but we have only 2 shows here and 1 show there. So it could not generate that kind of revenue. But the kind of love Jab We Met has gotten is much more than the collections it made at that time. I think that's like true for life. You don't always get what you want when you want it, but if you're deserving, it comes to you. That's what I've learned. That's my journey in life. Very much. Like, nobody can take it away from you.
Now, there's Aditya from Jab We Met and there's Kabir from Kabir Singh. Now, these two were to meet in real life, they'll probably not get along.
Probably not.
Who are you more like?
Both.
No, one way. You've got to tilt one way.
I see good and bad in both, actually. You know, I think Aditya had a set of issues. He was not very good with his mother in the beginning of the film. He had so much, he was so well off, he was so rich, but he wanted to commit suicide. And it took a simple girl with a very kind of, you know, open heart and a loose tongue and a spirit for life to kind of bring him back to life. You know, it happens to us in life. You know, sometimes we are our own sun and sometimes we're the moon. We need somebody else's energy to wake us up. You know, the moon takes light from the sun and reflects it forward. It doesn't have any light of its own. So Aditya was like that. You know, Kabir had various other issues which have been discussed enough. I don't want to say anything.
No, we're not talking about that.
Yeah.
We're not discussing Kabir's issues at all. But
Yeah.
Kabir Singh as a film, super hit. If you were given a time machine and if you were to go back and say yes to the role of Kabir Singh, would you do it unconditionally or would you be like, okay, maybe we should change
Are you
this?
telling me, did anything affect me to change my decision of Kabir? Not even 0.0000001%, not even that much. See, listen, I said this. You don't like Kabir? Great. I'm not here to convince you to like a character. I'm here to be the character. That is what cinema should be. It should be able to create conversation. It should be able to represent society honestly so we can actually sit down and talk about it. My job was to play the character. Everybody else's job is to decide what they felt about him. And that's great. ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. Good. We should talk about that. If something is unacceptable to a certain set of people, they should be able to say that. But nobody should be able to say, you cannot make something like this. You know, that doesn't make any sense. Creative freedom has to be there. You have to be able to do different things. We live in a society where we have to accept different opinions. So I'm very happy with everybody's opinion. I'm respectful of everybody's opinion.
Shahid, tell us about a time when you saw yourself go that extra mile to ensure a meaningful collaboration with an actor from a different cultural background.
Have I done anything like that? Because me and Vijay sir had just half a scene literally in...
That's a
we had like just one scene in Farzi together, which is the sad part of, unfortunately, we didn't have any more work together.
What an actor. Let's take a moment to talk about how amazing he is.
Of course. I mean, everybody, actually, but everybody in that show. You know, Vijay sir was spectacular. Rashi was so good.
Rashi is so good.
All the other characters, everybody was great. I mean, Bhuvan was great as Feroz and everybody.
Yeah,
was
so
great.
good. Shahid, so you have carved your own niche and, you know, ridden your own wave. You've delivered some of the best films.
Yeah.
Played some of the...
That makes me happy from inside.
Yeah. Played some of the most coolest characters. Most importantly, you've not been a part of any camp. It's an important question for me to ask. Is this
Maybe I
an
never
advantage?
accepted in any camp. Maybe I didn't have the, I didn't have the things that, the qualities that you need to have to be a campy person. Because I was, I was from Delhi. I came to Bombay and I was not accepted in my class. I was the outsider because, my accent alag tha, Delhi ka accent tha. And I was really badly treated for a long period of time. And like, treated like this
nice.
out. Yeah. So then, also we were living in rented houses. So every 11 months we would shift. So I would be in a new building trying to make friends with people who didn't know me. Then, I went to Shamaks and college, and that's when I actually finally felt accepted and I had my own group of people and, and then I became an actor. And then I came into this industry and I realized कि ये तो school की तरह ही है. बाहर वाले को आसानी से accept नहीं करते ये लोग. इनको बड़ा problem होता है कि तुम कहाँ कैसे गए अंदर, And then for many years you deal with that. So I don't like this campy thing. I feel that people who want to creatively collaborate with each other should. People who are comfortable with each other should. But that doesn't mean that you diss other people or you try to put other people down or you try and close the doors to other people. And I think that that's something that does happen in this fraternity. I hate being bullied, and I had no confidence as a kid, as a teenager, as a young adult. I didn't have the confidence to fight back. But now you try to bully me, I'll bully you right back, So I hate the bully. I want to bully the bully, because I think they deserve it. This is no filter, Shahid. I can say the things I used to think but not say. Now I say them.
And that's a wrap. No. But Farzi, after seeing, it was the biggest show of 2023. Now, after seeing the success of Farzi, did you think, wow, matlab OTT to pehle kar lena chahiye tha?
I actually felt that before I did Farzi, See, at my heart, I'm an actor. मुझे एक्टिंग करनी है. मुझे कैरेक्टर दे दो जिसके अंदर स्कोप है परफॉर्मेंस की. आई एम द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ माई सेल्फ व्हेन आई एम गिवन चैलेंजिंग रोल्स, which have layers and which have graphs and which are not all nice and sweet. That's when I have felt I have been able to do my best.
And what is that one thing? Do you have a sounding board ki, let me read? Kai baar aise hota hai, I need to tell somebody else to share it. Who is that person in your
I
life?
talk to everybody. I have a couple of people in my workspace.
Like who?
My team. Like I listen very strongly to my team, my immediate team. But scripts and characters I decide.
So there's always that.
That's mine. Like that's my space. Like nobody knows me the way that I know myself.
Any no's that you regretted? Any film that was offered to you? I'm just...
Yeah, I've spoken about, Rang De Basanti was offered to me and it was offered to me very last minute. And I remember I could not, I had some other films and dates and so I could never even meet them or see if that could happen. And when I saw the film, I absolutely loved the film.
And any film that you've been like, you said yes and then you regretted?
Many. I'm in them.
You've been like, oh.
Yeah.
Ye kya
That happens a few times.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Speaking of Farsi, when Raj and DK were casting, they were actually scared to come and tell you that it's actually Vijay Sethupathi who they'd cast in Farsi because he also happens to be a big star in South. You welcomed him with open arms.
I was like, he's ready to do it?
Open arms.
Yeah.
So would you think that in the past you would probably be insecure when you were standing face to face with a bigger star? Do you think this sense of security has come because you've also seen a lot of success?
Sense of being lesser, I must have felt at earlier stages in my career when I was in awe of somebody or if I felt like I might not be noticed standing next to them. But that's a sense of like, feeling lesser than somebody where you're in awe of somebody. But insecurity I've never had, and now I don't have even that issue.
Yeah.
I feel very comfortable because I'm not competing with them. I'm too consumed by my character and my journey. Like I'm diving deep. I'm not sitting on top looking outside like abhi aur kaun aayega mujhe competition dega. I'm like, this is my character. I'm going in there. You do your thing. You do your thing. I'm doing this.
We are going to throw back to the time that you were here on No Filter the last time. And there was this one thing that was very cute that you told us that I think it was for Kabir Singh, where your cute, adorable, lovely daughter, Misha, refused to recognize you because you went home with a new look. Now, what happens to Misha and Zen?
Yeah.
And how do they react? Because, you see your children every day after pack up or whenever in the morning.
Yeah.
So, क्या होता है मतलब वो फिर पापा नए लुक में आ गए what is the reaction because this is also a new
I
look.
mean, now they've grown up a lot more, right? So I can like explain things to them. And usually if I get a haircut, I always have them in the room with me. So if it's a drastic haircut.
So then, so then they can see.
यार अभी यही तो मिलता है आपको, if your father's doing something and if you're curious about it and that's the exposure that is naturally, God has given that to you in your life, why should I take that away from them? So I allow them to hang around. Sometimes if there's a music sitting, sometimes I might be trying clothes or sometimes we might be doing a photo shoot or something else might be happening. So in these unless it's like a narration or something where you don't want to disrespect anybody else, if it's a chill vibe, which is kind of a part of our job, we get to do some of these things which are just easy, breezy, chill, not so hectic. So I let them kind of participate and observe and kind of,
Shahid, I'm going to ask you an existential question. What is the one thing you want your children to learn from your personal journey and from your professional journey?
So the one thing personally that I would want them to have, whether it's from me or not, I don't know, is family first. I have learned that.
That's personal.
As a child, I claim.
Because that answers personal and professional.
Professionally, I would say earn it. Don't think, है सामने रखा है ले लेता हूँ. नहीं, मिल रहा है, आ रहा है, लोग दे रहे हैं, ले लो. What's the fun in that? Earn it. Earn it. And then you know you own it. It's yours. You earned it. Privilege makes you weak. Hard work makes you strong. I want them to be strong.
Yeah, oh my goodness. And now we're moving on to our next game. So, this is our next game.
Okay.
इसको कहते हैं बोल या बोल. मतलब या तो जो मेरे हाथों में सवाल हैं, आप उनका जवाब दीजिए.
दूं.
हाँ.
नहीं तो?
वो बोलेंगे आप. नहीं तो ये बोल में से एक चिट निकाल के आपको ये करना.
ठीक है.
ठीक है? It's very simple. हम आपको कुछ कैटेगरीज देंगे. आपको तो अवार्ड्स जीतने की इतनी आदत है. So on No Filter Neha, you're going to give some No Filter awards.
जी.
All right. First one, the Best Glow Up Award.
I'm really bad with all this. मेरे को नहीं पता who's doing well. Neha is doing well.
No, you can't take my name. That's another rule. Will you take a chit if you can't answer? If you're bad, we love it. It's very easy chits.
Tell us one lie you've told your kids. When I used to smoke, I used to hide from my daughter and smoke. And that was actually the reason I gave it up. One day while I was hiding, I told myself, I was like, I'm not going to be able to do this forever. And that's actually the day that I decided to quit smoking and I quit.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So bowl ya bowl. I think that this bowl is working like magic. You're also setting an example. All right. Best CEO of Comeback Awards. Who's made the best comeback in the past few years?
I think Bobby Deol is the animal. I mean, like, look at people are going crazy about it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Of course. Very, very genuinely happy for it.
So happy for him. Best Daddy Cool Award. And ये जो award categories हैं, आप अपने आप को एक award दे सकते
हाँ, ये मैंने ले लिया.
Daddy Cool Award आप अपने आप को दीजिए.
Yeah, 100%.
और बाकी के
बाकी का देखेंगे.
कई ऐसी
I love this one. ये चाहिए मुझे.
अच्छा, Best Daddy Cool Award goes to you. Best PR का प्यारा award.
I think Ori,
Okay.
because I'm like, he's everywhere. So, yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Good thinking. You're doing very well in this game. Best Script Selector Award.
Can't give it to myself.
Yeah. Well,
Amir Khan, from 2000 to 2020, it was like just Amir Khan. He selected the best scripts.
Best Airport Spotting Award.
Kriti Saran, my co-star. She looks amazing at the airport.
Best Two Left Feet Award.
Best 2 Left Feet Award.
If you give it to me, I will be very upset with you.
Can't do this, yeah.
You can't give 2 left feet.
I can't think of anybody. Honestly, most of the people dance well. Shut your eyes and clean your ears like you're really into it.
I love this.
Oh, give. Okay.
Does? Alright, just park that aside. My brain.
Check. It's clean.
Very nice. Best legs in the business?
Oh, Deepika and Katrina.
Yeah, okay, good choice. Best legs in the business. Alright, stop posting thirst trap awards.
That holds true for most.
Okay.
I can't take one name now.
Anyone who's got a great Insta?
I mean, there's too many. Yeah. It's the problem. Do a sitting wave head to toe.
Alright, and the last one, stop stealing my Dream Roles award.
No, I'm very thankful. I have no issues with anybody. But there's nobody I can think of. Okay, Leonardo DiCaprio. I said it.
Alright, fine. Shahid, thank you so much. Here's a little something from all of us
Thank you,
at
Neha.
No Filter Neha.
Hey,
And
dude.
yeah, thank you for being who you are. Thank you for being so honest, for bringing yourself. And
I can't handle compliments from you, Neha. It just doesn't feel real. Just wrap it up simply.
simply,
Ah,
you're amazing. And what a way to start. Thank you. Thank you.
pleasure always. Pleasure being on your show and wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
And you're always somebody I look forward to chatting with. On and off camera. On camera, I'm a little guarded. Off camera, it's more fun. But
Yeah.
it's always fun being here and chatting with you.
Likewise, Shahid. Thank you. And will you just make a commitment? You'll come back for another season.
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you, everybody. That was Shahid Kapoor. And this is why we love him. Thanks.
Thank you.
Outdoor partner, Bright Outdoor Media Limited.